Today we're going to go through consonant F. Um, the Spanish F is pronounced like the F in the word fire. Um, and so let's go through some examples here.
Listen and repeat.
Okay.
Febrero, febrero, febrero,
Febrero. So F is just like the F in fire, right? Um, so this would be febrero.
falta,
Falta.
defender, defender,
Def-
defender,
defender. It's not defender, it's defender. Defender.
defender, defender, defender,
Defender.
Grifo,
Grifo.
grifo, bufanda,
Bufanda.
refresco,
Refresco.
refresco,
Refresco.
refresco,
Listen and repeat.
Alright, speaker is from Spain.
febrero,
Febrero. Sounds similar.
falta,
Falta.
defender,
Defender.
grifo,
Grifo.
bufanda,
Bufanda.
refresco,
Refresco.
Listen and repeat.
Alright, so this is a Latin American. Let's see how they speak.
febrero, febrero,
Febrero.
falta,
Falta.
defender,
Defender.
grifo,
Grifo.
bufanda,
Bufanda. And the last one,
refresco.
refresco. Alright folks, so today we looked at how to pronounce consonant F. On the next video we'll be looking at diphthong EI. So until then, see you next time.